Hey, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Amazon, okay? This is the stock showdown between the buyers versus the sellers at $200. Who's going to win? You can see where our bet currently is right now for Amazon. We're betting that the buyers are going to beat the sellers in this game. We have a price prediction already on our chart from October the 14th. And we've just been sitting back, chilling, waiting for the price to go in our favor. And so far, it has been, but it's been topping out around $190. What's going on around 200? Do you think the buyers are going to beat the sellers at 200? Because that's the sell zone there. Let's talk about it. Hit the like, share, and subscribe for more content while we break this video down. So let's take a look at Amazon real quick on the two. And I must admit that I don't like how these two-day price bars look. I don't like how the price bars are closing off of the highs and closing down there at the lows. That is not a good signal if you're looking for the buyers to beat the sellers. Here it is on the 3. Okay, look at Amazon on the 4. Earnings is about to come out October 31st, Thursday. I think that's the reason why we're not really seeing a lot of price movement in this market for Amazon. Here it is on the 5. Okay. Here it is on the weekly chart. Well, on the 2. Let me know. I mean, would you be bullish? Would you be a participant with the buyers, or would you be on the team sellers? Here it is on the 3. Amazon on the 5. And on the monthly chart. So we're not getting a lot. We're not getting too much in terms of price action in Amazon. When you see a stock trade like this, it's letting you know that it's getting prepared and it's priming itself for the next big move. So what do? Do you sit back and wait? Or do you take every day that the market trades and you come and see if the market is still leaning towards your original analysis? Now, I would say that the market is still leaning towards the buyers, but it's not that strong. Okay, I can see to where sellers could actually come back and win the game. I can see that. And it's where I told you when I show you these daily price bars on the 2, 3, and the 4 of how the price was closing off of the highs and on the lows. That's not a good thing. That's not. So I would give it like in the ballpark of like 50-50 between the sellers and the buyers. It could go either way. Now, I can tell off of right here on the 7-hour chart, right, that these buyers are trying to lift the price. These bars right here is telling us that they're trying to lift the price. And that's one reason why I think they have a slight edge against the sellers right now. But that can definitely change either after earnings is released or leading up to earnings. That can definitely change. So you can see how someone is trying to prop up this price. Maybe they're trying to squeeze as much of their profit out the market before earnings is released, and then they could crater the price. You feel me? You know what I'm talking about? That's what it seemed like it's trying to do. So yeah, I'm just going to be a little bit more cautious. I mean, I'm going to keep it 100. The buyers got a slight edge, and I mean slight. They don't have a massive lead in the sellers to try to push this market up. I would have a different statement if I saw these daily price bars closing at the highs of the bar. That's why I'm telling you now. 50, 55, 45? Yeah, it's not that much of a difference as to who is going to grab price and move it. So I'm just going to keep it on lock right here. I'm not going to change anything, but we'll see. We'll see. Because if the buyers hold this and earnings is released in Amazon on October 31st, the sellers won't be able to do anything at this $200 price. They won't. All right. So we're just going to leave this right here for the moment. We'll see what happens to the price after earnings is released on Thursday, and we'll see what happens. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.